Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what this is? I know you all know. This is the bargain bead box for April of 2024. I see a couple people have already done unboxings. I did not want to look at it yet. So let me make sure my lighting, I feel like there's a shadow. Okay, I guess there's not. Maybe there isn't. Okay, so let's see. This one is called Blooming Branches. So it is, the trees are showing off for spring, dressed in their best buds and blooms, inspired by the pinks and purples of redbud blossoms and the tulip poplars, yellows and greens. This month's Sylvan selections include 2 gemstone Tree of Life pendants, genuine gemstone strands in rose quartz, citrine, and more, plus sparkling crystal accents, glass flowers, and a collection of silver finished findings with a leaf and tree motifs. Okay, perfect. And they do have a coupon that you can use. If you get it, you will know. So let's see. Okay, this looks like fun. Oh, we got little flower buds. Oh, what a cool pendant. Oh, I love these. Oh, so pretty. Oh, we already got this one. Or no, we didn't. This is a little different. Oh, pretty. Okay, let me get everything ready and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting off, oh, that's pretty, with the 31 by 27 millimeter rose quartz Tree of Life pendant. This is really pretty. Tree of Lives are really, really popular whenever I do like my craft shows. People always come in and say, do you have any Tree of Life things? So I will make some and I will bring one. Okay, next is 8 millimeter rose quartz round beads, 15 inches. Oh, so pretty. I've been doing a lot of stretch bracelets, and I will let, somebody was asking if I would do a tutorial on how to tie them. I'm going to be doing one in the next week or so. I just got all of my restocks. I did a little order from Michael's and got some stretch magic and everything. So these are the beautiful rose quartz. Oh, these are gorgeous. Got some weight to them too. I just love unboxing this bargain bead box. Number 3 is a 48 by 27 millimeter brass Tree of Life pendant with faceted amethyst. This is really pretty. Look at that. And this is the back of it. So pretty. Okay, and next, number 4 are 8 millimeter Mountain Jade dyed dolomite in violet 15-inch strand. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, this is my favorite purple. This is my favorite color purple. It's like just such a rich color. Oh, so gorgeous. And next, number 6 is 6 millimeters of citrine heated round beads, 15 inches. It says that these were $12.99. I know citrine can be very expensive. Look at that. That's really pretty. The different striations on there and everything. And next is number 7, a 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted rondelles in peridot green iris, 16 inches. These are pretty. Look at how the sparkle in these. Could do a little double bracelet here, stretch bracelet with these. That, oh, look at that sparkle. Ooh, it's like Christmas. Okay, and then next, number 8 is 9.5 millimeter crystal faceted round beads in light rose AB, 20 pieces. Oh, let me get a head pin or an eye pin here. Forgot to bring one out. I'll put these on here. Look at these. Look at how they sparkle. Ooh-wee. Gorgeous. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Okay, let me get these other 3 in there. Okay, and number 9 is 6 millimeter crystal faceted bicone beads in light rose AB, 10 inch. They always send us a strand of crystal bicones, which is great because they come in handy because they really help, you know, put different shapes in. You know, when you get a lot of the round beads, you know, you want to have a different shape for a different texture and look to your jewelry. So look how crystal, sparkly crystal. This is pretty. Number 10 is 3 by 2 millimeter crystal faceted rondelles in grapevine mix, 16 inches. Ooh. Look at that. It's pretty, and it's got that little sparkle going on. Love. Okay. And number 11 is a 10-piece, 10 by 11 millimeter pressed glass flowers in lavender ombre. Oh, these are pretty, so let me put a couple of these on here. These are pretty. Love this purple. Okay, and number 12 is 10 grams of 5 by 3 millimeter bumpy rondelle spacers, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Put a few on so you can see the side of them. Okay. Oh. Okay, number 13 is 40 piece of 6 millimeter leaf bead cabs, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Oh, these are pretty. Excuse me Excuse me, let me get a drink of water really quick. Okay. Here's little flowers. These are so cute. Always come in handy. You never have too many bead caps, I always say. And number 14 is 2 pieces of 27 by 23 swirled tree pendants, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Oh, and it's the same on both sides. Oh. Oh, I know I think there's a reflection, I'm not sure. So we have these, and they're the same on both sides. We got some weight to them. And number 15 is 18 by 14 millimeter rhinestone tree charms, 2 pieces for $2.99. Oh, look at this. Can you see that? Look at that. There's little rhinestones in the leaves. And then this is the back. So pretty. Look at that. Okay. And next, number 16 is 2 pieces, 47 millimeter hypoallergenic stainless steel leaf pendants. Oh, and you know what? I got 2 bags of these. Isn't that crazy? I got an extra bag, so thank you, Bargain Bead Box. These are really good quality. They're very stiff. So I got these. I kind of got a cool idea for these. These wheels are already spinning. Okay, and number 17 is a 28 millimeter Tree of Life chandelier focal, lead free, cadmium free. That's pretty. And you could see all the different holes in here, so you can do a lot with that. You can weave beads in there if you wanted to and color that tree up even. This is the back of it. So it's just one-sided. So this is really pretty. And then number 18 is 1 meter of hypoallergenic stainless steel Luma China chain. Ooh, this is really pretty. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, this is really pretty. Kind of show you that. I don't know if it's getting blurry. I'm trying to show it to you up close. That's really pretty. Got that. And last but not least, 2 sets of 36 by 22 millimeter leaf toggle clasps. Lead, nickel, cadmium free. Oh, these are pretty. So that's one side. And this is the other. And then we got the toggles. So this is the Bargain Bead Box for April of 2024. And boy, I cannot wait to work with this. Look at all these beauties we have here. So I will definitely be putting out some tutorials next week. And I will leave a link below to Bargain Bead Box, as well as all of my social media, my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I have lots of tutorials coming up, and we're going to have a really fun year. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day.